Hello everyone, today I will show you how to download and install Hadoop on your Windows 10 system or PC. So I have listed all the steps that are required to install Hadoop on your system. First you need to download and install Java, install, download and install Hadoop, change the environment variables of Java home and Hadoop home. Configure these 5 files for the Hadoop, and we have to possibly create name node and data node before configuring htfs site.xml. Configure Hadoop, and then last test if the installation of the Hadoop was successful. So first, these two are the links that are required to download Java JDK 8 and Hadoop Apache Hadoop. So I will mention these two links in the description of this of my video. So first of all, you need to go to the Windows here. Because I'm running 64-bit Windows, so I have to download. Click on this link to download. If you're running 32-bit Windows, you can click here, or if you are running Mac OS or Linux or Ubuntu, you can click on one of these links here. Now when you click on this link, it will take you to the account sign in page or account creation page. If you don't have an account, you can create an account. It's free of cost. After you sign in, it will automatically download the file. So as I've already downloaded the file, I don't need to. So when you have successfully downloaded the file, open it. This screen will pop up. Click next, and you don't need to change anything over here. Click next, and will start at progress. Let it install. It will take a second or two. After you have after you see this window, you can just click OK. You need to change the destination on this pop-up. You need to click here, go to your C drive, make a new folder, name it Java. Select the folder Java and click OK, and click next, and it will start installing it. After you see this window, the installation is complete. You need to close this. Then you need to head over to where you installed Java, C drive. You will see the Java folder over here. Now you need to go to program files, and then you will see a folder naming Java. You need to go over here. You need to move this folder to the Java folder in your C drive. Now you need to move the program files Java folder JDK 1.80 etc. You need to cut, and you need to move this over here. It will ask for your permission. Click continue. Okay, this has been successfully. We move this folder because we need to remove any errors that is related to the Java path, environment path. So you can go back to the program files and delete the empty Java folder. Just delete it, and you're done. Okay, when you have finished doing that, you need to change and edit the environment variables for the Java home. Now for in order to do that, you need to go to your Java folder, go to the JDK that you moved from program files, go here, select the bin folder, double click it. Now you will see the path over here. You need to click over here. You need to copy the selected address, Control C, or you can click over here and copy. Now you need to search over here in the Windows 10 environment, and you will see the edit the system environment variables. Click on that. You need to then go to the environment variables, this button over here. Click it. Then you need to create a new environment variable. Click new. Type in Java underscore home and control V this path and add it. After you've added it, you need to add a new system variable also. Just click new or click there. No, no. You need to select the path and click edit, and then you need to click on new and control V this. You will add this. Okay, just click OK and you're done. Now your installation of Java has been successful and it is now complete. Now you need to check if your Java has been successfully downloaded. You need to open cmd command prompt. You need to select it. Now you need to type in Java C. If you see a number of options related to Java pop up here, then you can be assured that your Java has been successfully installed. As you can see, the Java has been successfully installed. If you need to see the and check the Java version, which version you are using, you need to type in Java hyphen version. As you can see, I'm running Java version 1.8.0.202. So our Java has been successfully installed. Now we need to move on to download and install Hadoop. Okay, so after you have edited and installed Java and environment variables for Java, you need to now download and install Hadoop. So first of all, for that you need to go to this link, Apache Hadoop, and you need to download the version of Hadoop that is not latest. See, this is the latest version 3.3.3. Now you need to download a version that is previous to the latest version, like this version over here is 3.2.3. You need to click on the binary, this one, and then you need to click on this link to download the Hadoop file. This will be a zip file and it will be quite large, 500 MB almost. So you need to download this. I am already downloaded it, so I don't need to do that. Okay, so after you download the Hadoop tar file, you need to it will be zipped or it will be in the form of WinRAR. If you have 7-zip or WinRAR, you can extract it. You just need to right click and click on extract here, or if you have 7-zip you can extract through that. Click extract here, it will start extracting. So after you have extracted the folder, you will see it over here like this. So open it, and then you need to, you just have to copy this whole folder from your downloads or wherever you download it. Just copy it, copy, go to your C drive where you have installed Java and paste it over here. Just let it complete it. Okay, so after you have done copy pasting the Hadoop folder, you need to edit these 5 files. So we are going to open the folder, go to the etc, go to the Hadoop folder and select those 5 files, yarn site.xml. Then it will be mapredsite.xml, mapreduce, sorry. Then it will be Hadoop env.cmd, and then it will be course site.xml, and it will be hdfs site.xml. These will be the five files, and you need to edit with notepad plus plus plus. Okay, so here's it. You can close this. Okay, these are the five files. So I will paste this link in the description. You can use this to copy paste these configurations into the files. So first we will copy this and paste it into the course site.xml. We These are the configuration files. So we can save this. Then we will go to the mapreduce.xml, copy the properties of this, and go to the mapreduced and paste it over here. Then we will go to the yarn site.xml, copy this, and yarn site.xml, and paste it over here. Paste it over here, save it. Okay, so to edit hdfs site.xml, you need to do two things first. You need to go to your Hadoop folder in the C drive. Go here, right click and create a new folder, name it as data, and double click it, open it, and create two new folders, name as data node, and create one new folder, name it as new node. Sorry, name it as name node, data node and name node. Name them, and now you have to copy the path of these. Control C, data node, and you have to copy this also, but we have to paste the data node path first. So go to the link, copy this property of the hdfs site.xml, copy it and paste it over here. After you have created the data node and name node folders, you just have to change your version over here. Just need to click this and select the whatever version you is using. You can see 3.2.3 I have over here. I can, yeah, 3.2.3. Whichever version you have downloaded, you just need to change it to that 3.2.3. Over here also I need to just change this to 3.2.3, and then we have to edit the Hadoop env.cmd. The value over here represents the replication factor of the Hadoop, so you don't need to change it, you just have to keep it 1. By default the value may be 3 or 2 or something. You just need to keep it 1 because we are using it on the local machine on one PC or a system. It depends on which environment you are working on. Okay, to edit this file we need to uh, copy the environment variable that we created for Java home and paste it over here. You need to search over here environment and click it over here. Go to environment variables. You just need to copy this, click edit, control C and control V over here. This will link the Hadoop with Java. This will connect the paths of the Java home that we have created in the environment variables. You just need to delete this. You don't need to specify bin, so just need to backspace and yes, control S, save your files. Okay, after you have set this Java environment and set its path, control S, save all your files, control S, control S, control S, control S, save all your files, and then you can close them one by one and exit. What you need to do now is to go to your environment variables and create a new environment variable, name it as Hadoop underscore home, and open the Hadoop folder, go to your bin and copy this path, go to environment variable, paste it and press OK. Now you need to do the same for the system variables path. Go here, click edit, click new and paste it. Now we need to do one more thing, and that is to add a new path naming as sbin. You need to go over here, open the Hadoop folder, open the sbin folder and copy this path. Now you need to click add new and paste it. So there are two paths, one for the bin and one for the sbin. Press OK, and now you just have to press OK and OK. Okay, so next what you want to do is you need to go to your bin folder and first of all open the link. I will mention it in the description, configuration files. Download this folder. I've already downloaded it. So what you want to do is go over here into this folder, open the bin, select all the file, control A, control C, copy these files, and then you need to go to the Hadoop 3.2 and bin and paste these files, because there are some files that are missing from the folder. You will be prompted to replace the files in the destination, but you do not want to do that. You have to click skip these files and do that, and yes, so now the missing ones have been pasted and the others remain here. So you need to close this. Okay, now to we have done and configured our Hadoop successfully. Now if you want to test if the Hadoop installation was successful and run it for the first time, then you need to do is open the command prompt, type cmd, right click and run as administrator. Once you've done that, you need to type, okay, so now you need to type in hdfs space name node hash format. This will try to format the, it's asking yes. As you can see, it is indicating the name node has been successfully formatted. So our name node is it is shut down. Okay, after you have done formatting the name node to test if it's working, so you need to type in where cd dot cd and go to the directory where the Hadoop is installed. Then after going to the directory, you want to go to the sbin. start slash dfs to start the daemons and test if they are working correctly. As you can see, our name node and data node have been started and they are running. They are successfully running and they're listening to the commands. So now you can also start the yarn daemons. Type in start yarn and you can see as the two of the yarn node manager and resource manager have been successfully running in the background. They all are running. If they close unexpectedly or if they close after time, then it indicates that that your Hadoop has not been successfully installed and it needs configuration or there are errors in your installation. As you can see, mine are running and they are listening to the commands. To stop these demons, you can type stop slash dfs, but before that you can check if your working. You can type in local host 9807, think it's okay. Okay, so it was 9870. As you can see, localhost 9000 active, Sunday June 5 1722. And you can see the summary. Security is off, safe mode is off, configured capacity dfs used, non-dfs use, all the information are over here. Name node, general status, dfs storage types, and name node storage type. You can see all the information over here. So now we need to close the dfs daemons that are currently running. You need to type in stop d slash dfs, enter, and those two will close. Now you need to type in stop slash yarn and those two will close. So that's how you install and run Hadoop and configure Hadoop. So I hope my video was fruitful to you. So that's all from me. Thank you.